Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone has basic power and is unlocked. This prevents interruptions. Open Settings, then tap Display and Brightness to access screen controls. Once there, find the Auto Brightness or Adaptive Brightness toggle near the top. This is the control we will fix. Tap the toggle to see current behavior. If it's already on, leave it for diagnostics. Make sure location and sensors aren't blocked, because ambient light readings depend on the proximity of the light sensor. You next toggle Auto Off and set brightness manually to about 50% to create a baseline. This helps confirm whether automatic changes are working. Clean the top bezel and sensor area and temporarily remove any thick screen protector that might block light. Once cleaned, re-enable auto brightness and test by moving into bright and dim environments. If it reacts sluggishly, give it a minute. Sensor smoothing can delay adjustments, so observe multiple lighting transitions for consistent behavior. To finish, check for MIUI updates and install any available, then reboot the phone to reload sensor drivers. If problems persist, open additional settings and review accessibility options that may lock brightness. Reset those to default. You can also clear settings app cache to remove glitches. If auto brightness still fails after these steps, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. And one key troubleshooting tip: test with a third-party brightness app to determine if it's a hardware sensor fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.